Chapter 4, Power and Exponents. Let us see definition of some word like given here. First, we shall try to understand the meaning of exponential notation or power notation. But before, let us see your chapter name, power and exponents. Both words having same meaning, power or exponents or index. Both three terms are equal. So, see definition of exponential notation. What is called exponential notation? The notation for writing the product of an integer by itself several times is called the exponential notation or power notation. So we can say in other language, to write long form number in short form is called exponential notation or power notation. For example, you are looking like this 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Here 7 is written 4 times, so we can write this number like this 7 power 4. So to note down the long form number in a small form is known as exponential notation. Second point, see here, note a into like this m times, so we can write like this a to the power m. Like here I have written 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. We have written 7 4 times, so we can write like this 7 power 4. Again here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Total I have written 6 times of number 2. So we can write like this 2 to the power 6 in exponential notation. So here a is called the base and the m is called exponent or index or power. Let us see one example. 2 to the power 6. Here number 2 is called base, and in this example number 7 is called base, and here 6 is called exponents. 6 is called exponents, index or power. With 3 words we can explain by any word. Once again here this 2 is called base and this 6 is called power. Upper side number is called power and lower side number is called base. Power of rational number. Next term, power of rational number. P upon q to the power m is rational number whose numerator is p to the power m and denominator is q to the power m, like this. Once again, if given number is 2 upon 3 power 4, we can write this number like 2 to the power 4 upon p to the power 4. This power is for all, numerator also and denominator also. But if this number is written like this 2 to the power 3 power 4 means power is only for 2, because bracket is not given here. Reciprocal of a rational number, if p upon q is a rational number, then reciprocal of p upon q will be q upon p. Reciprocal means just opposite. We have to change the number. Denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. So just see example, p upon q to the power m equal to p to the power m and q to the power m. And if we talk about reciprocal of p upon q power m, it will be q upon p to the power m. Once again, see for example, suppose 7 upon 3 to the power 2. We can write reciprocal will be 3 upon 7 to the power 2. So So if you are getting any problem, you can just comment given at the bottom. Now let us see another part. Your new topic, laws of exponents. If a to the power m multiply by a to the power n, then we can write a to the power m plus n. Let us understand this point through example. Here both a and a is same, number and number same, 6 and 6 same. Here different, m and n different, 4 and 3. So a to the power m multiply by a to the power n, answer will be a to the power m plus n is equal to this 6 to the power 7. Next, if a to the power m divided by a to the power n, then a to the power m minus n. We apply this rule if m is greater than n. Let us see through example. 3 to the power 7 divide 3 to the power 2. Here m is greater than n, so answer will be a to the power m minus n is equal to 5. Third number, a to the power m divide a to the power n is equal to 1 by n minus m. Here we have changed this pattern. Why? Because n is greater than m. But in point number second, m was greater than n. So in this example, we will write like this: n minus m, because n which is 9 is greater than 5. Answer will be 1 upon 6 to the power 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Fourth number, a to the power m bracket power n will be a to the power m into n. So in this example, 4 to the power 3 bracket multiply power 2. So we will write 3 into 2 is equal to 3 to the 6. Third number, if a to the power m multiply b to the power m, then we will write a into b bracket to the power m or ab power m. In this example, we can write 6 into 5 multiplied by 3. We will multiply both terms if power is same, means 30 to the power 3. And last point, if 0 is power of any number, then answer will be 1. For example, if 10 to the power 0 means 1, 12 power 0 means 1. If 0 is power of any number, then answer will be 1. Now see next part. Let's see now a standard form of notation. How will you represent any number in a standard form? In this part, you shall also understand method of writing any number in a standard form. So when we express a number between 1 and 10 multiplied by an integral power of 10, a number is said to be in a standard form like this. If you write any number in this format, then this format is known as a standard form, and also this form is called scientific notation. As we have learned distance between sun and earth, speed of light, like this, we represent in this form, short form. In symbol, a into 10 to the power n is an standard form where a is terminating decimal and 1, a is greater than 1 and less than 10, and n is an integer, means n will be any number, counting number, maybe in positive or maybe in negative. So next term, understand how to write a standard form of a number. Your first point, there is only one digit to the left of decimal point. Means before decimal there should be only one digit. Second point, the power of 10 is positive integer equal to the number of places the decimal point has been moved when the given is greater than or equal to 10. So, for example, we will explain again. Third point, the power of 10 is 0 when the given number is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. Just understand, for example, this is the number and you have to write this number in standard form. So first point, according to first point, there shall be only one digit before the point. So we will apply here point after 3, means 3.6843, and we have to mention 10 to the power how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power 4. We can write in other language 3.7 into 10 to the power 4. Here I have written 7 and here 6. We have increased one number because this is 8, which is greater than 5. If this number will be 3, then we write 6. If this number is 4, then we write 6. Second example, second point, we have to count the number, means every number can be represented in standard form. How will you represent? Point number first is clear, means there shall be one digit before the point. Second, as many points you have moved, give the power number same. Like here I have moved here 1, 2, 3, 4 digit, so power will be 4. In this example I have moved here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so power will be 5. If you write this number in this format, 30.0 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. If write this format, then it will be wrong. Why? Because after point we are looking here 2 digits, but according to rule number first, there shall be only one digit before the point. We can write every number in this format. Once again, 13. How will you represent 2-digit number 13 in standard form? We will write 1.3. Move one digit point here, means 1.3 into 10 to the power 1, and 1 is always hidden, so we do not write 1. Means the standard form of 13 will be 1.3 into 10. And single number 8. How will you represent single number which is low than 10, less than 10? 10 to the power 8 into 10 to the power 0. We apply 10 to the power 0, means 10 to the power 0 means 1. 8 into 1 will be 8. So we can write single digit number in this format. So in next class you will understand chapter 4.1. We continue. Thank you. Have a